Hi everybody, my name is Miss Amy and I'm a children's librarian at the Benjamin L. Hook Central Library, and today I'm going to present a STEAM program. Well, what is STEAM? Well, it stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Math. And today we're going to focus on math and make tangrams. So what is a tangram? Well, it's a Chinese puzzle that's made out of a square that can be cut into 7 pieces, and you can arrange those pieces into different figures. So let me show you a tangram. You see it has shapes. I'm going to cut this up. I've cut it up and we're going to see what shapes it makes. So you're going to have 2 large triangles. You are going to have 2 small triangles. You're going to have a medium-sized triangle. You're going to have a square and a parallelogram. That's a big word. Now, we're ready to make our own tangram. So all you need is a sheet of paper and some scissors. Here we go. You're going to take your paper and you're going to take it by the tip and you're going to fold all the way down to the bottom like this. And then you're going to crease. Okay, so your paper should look like this, and you'll have an excess. We're going to cut that off. So we're just going to cut along our line here. So let's take our scissors and do that now. All right. Now, let's open up, and you notice we have a square, and a square has 4 equal sides. Well, now we're going to cut along this center line here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, what do I have now? 2 large triangles. And I'm going to take one of those triangles and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold along the center line there. And these are going to be our 2 large triangles. Now we're going to take the other triangle and we're going to look at the tip and hold it, and then we're going to fold it down to the bottom. Then we're going to fold across the top here. And when we open it up, we're going to cut along the line. Okay, that makes our medium triangle. Now we have a trapezoid, and a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has just 1 pair of parallel lines. And so we're going to take this trapezoid and we're going to fold it in. Then we're going to open it back up and you'll see your line, and we're then going to cut there. So now I have 2 trapezoids. So we're going to take one of those and we're going to take the tip over here and we're going to fold it over just like this. We're going to open it up and we're going to cut along the line. And now we have a triangle and a square. All right, now we have our next trapezoid. So we are going to fold, we're going to put our finger on this tip and we're just going to fold it to the top there, just like that. And push it down. We're going to open it up and cut along the line. So now we have our small triangle and our parallelogram. And this is a quadrilateral that has 2 sides of parallel lines. Now, there are 3 rules when playing with your Tangram. Each shape has to touch another shape. The second rule is shapes cannot overlap. And the third rule is you must use all 7 shapes. All right, let's see what we can do with the pieces. And remember, you can rotate and flip the shapes. Let's start by making a fish. So here is a template, a pattern template that I got offline. And there's a lot of templates that you can printables that you can use for this purpose online. So we're gonna start and we're going to find our parallelogram and put it here. What is this shape? A square. Good job. What needs to go here? Oh, the small triangle. How about next to it? The other small triangle? All right. Now, what do we need here? The medium triangle. And then we need the 2 large triangles. So now, boys and girls, we have made a fish. Let's try another one. Let's try a fox. All right, let's try a fox. Now, which 2 shapes should we put here? If you said small triangles, you're right. Here we go. We'll put them right there. Now, what is this shape that has 4 equal sides? It's a square. So let's find our square. All right. This is a triangle because it has 3 sides. So we need the large one, I think. You're right. How about the next shape? It's 3 sides, but it's a little bit smaller. So I think we need the medium size triangle. And then that leaves us with another large triangle. So we'll put it here. And last, the parallelogram. And you might have to flip. Remember I said sometimes you have to flip and rotate for it to fit. And there we have our box. Now we're going to try something a little more challenging. We're going to try to make a boat, and this time we don't have the lines to help us. So we've just got to try to figure it out. So this is a triangle, so we're going to start, I think we need a large triangle here. And then what does this look like? The other large triangle, you're right. All right, now this is the parallelogram, you're right. That was easy. And this shape is our medium triangle. Well, now we have another triangle. How do we make that triangle? Let's see. Let's try a square. And then what do you see on the sides? 2 small triangles, so let's put them there. And we have a boat. Let's try one more. Let's try a turtle. All right. Now, look at this shape. It's got 4 equal sides, so it's got to be a square. All right. This has 2 sides that are parallel. So let's put our parallelogram here. Now we have a 3-sided shape. Let's try our medium triangle. And then at the bottom, the turtle's legs are made of the 2 small triangles. You're right. And then we have to make the body. So we're going to put a large triangle here and another large triangle here. And look, we made a turtle. How fun! Starting July 21st, I'm going to have these Tangram packets available. You will have a Tangram template that will be on cardstock, which is a thicker type of paper, and you'll get more use out of your Tangram. You will also have some Tangram patterns that you can make different animals with. Now again, these are available for a limited time starting on July 21st. We hope you had fun and enjoyed watching. See you next time. Bye.